Alright, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the RCNOAH remote control car. It can do 360-degree spins and flips. It comes with 2 powerful motors. It can go very fast and reach a speed of 10 miles per hour, performing on different various landscapes, lawns, muddy ground, sandy, or other road conditions. It has 2 rechargeable batteries, so you will never run out of batteries. Here's opening the box. You can see the first battery with the little USB charger, the remote control, and the pretty blue and orange car. Here I am going to put the battery in the car. Comes with a little screw, make sure you don't lose it. And it already had a battery in that thing, but I had charged it overnight, so I'm putting the charged battery. And look at there, the lights are already blinking. Yay! It is turning on and ready to go. So install the screw and screw the securing screw back in. And the handheld remote takes 2 AA batteries, so be sure to have those on hand. Again, open it up and put the screw back in so it doesn't accidentally fall out. It has a hard ABS plastic shell, so you don't have to worry about it breaking if it runs into things. And here you turn the car on, blinking, you turn the remote control on, and off you go. So this is the first time I am messing around with it, and it is quite fun. As you can see, I'm running into the box and out of the camera frame. The 2 joysticks control one on each side. So I'm trying to get it to do some flips by going back and forth. As you can see, it goes quite fast and the remote control is very sensitive. There, I did a flip and just kind of back and forth. It looks like it will be very fun, and the battery should last. And yes, I'm quite excited to try this out with my family. There we go, lots of little flips. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.